Yeah guys, we finally get the light them. You know what I mean, for the car door, the floodlight. And it also come with this for the keys, you know, like a tag. So you have the M on it, and then open throttle, that's the name of the company. I found them on Instagram. You know what I mean? They mostly do like lights and stuff like that for cars. So yeah, this bad. It's like Alcantara. You see me? I have to go take this off the book. We I try to put them on now. Let me show you how I go on. So, little packaging. Got them business card. That's nice. That's cool. And then open throttle, door lights. You see me? Then these now 3D shadow lights are the one when we get our TikTok shot. You understand? So I'm open this and show you how I talk about. We get for overstand, so these are for the F series BMW. You know? And then, but I have the G series, I have the G20. So the G20 are smaller. The F90 are large. And you see when I take them out of the bag and show you what I'm doing. I take them out of the bag. I'm going to install them right now, you understand? Because apparently there's a storm brewing outside. So no trouble out today, you know? But yeah, this is how them look like. Yeah? Smaller size, so. Yeah, those should work. And then these now are the ones that I order at TikTok shop. Some of us order them for the wrong vehicle basically. See difference in size? You see me? This are for the F series, this are for the G series. So I'm gonna put in these right now. And we have the M mirror caps, but I want to give car wash first before I put on the mirror caps on it. So let's just work with these for now. And then let me get my lighter. Hold up. Get a lighter for this thing here, man. Keep on search. Oh, here we go. No me have a lifetime of that. Test it out. You know? This crystal waters. Get one light, you know. But yeah, we are circle garage now. Dropping them here shouldn't take about 2 seconds because we have all like tool. Let me show you. I'll get I set a pick. You see me? Them did want me get some plastic one, but like no, the metal one will work better. So we have the tools them what we need, you know. Pointed one, so yeah, right to the garage. Drop in them here, quick and fast. And then we check in block again. Zin? Yeah. Alright guys. We change this side, right? But we never do it before and after shot. So let's walk around to this side real quick. Yeah, I'm having up on the tripod, you know, that's a quick little vlog. We are going so. Alright, let me show you now. Look. We have to wait on it again. Put your hand unlock, right? There's supposed to be a light right there, so I have to check the light there. But once you open up, you see the white light shining on the ground, right? It's right there. See? So that's before. Now we are going to the other side. You see me? And I'm going to show you the half of that. I Look at my tummy there light up, man. You see me? So let me show you the afternoon. You ready? Yeah! Yeah, fool! You see that, what? Yeah. And this is the BMW 50th anniversary logo. You know what I mean? Yeah. And then, as I say, I got it from Open Chuckle on Instagram. You see me? So you have the guide light, and then once you open the door, now you have the floodlight. So what we are going to do now, we are going to change the other side. Let's have it. Let's change the other side, and then we can turn off the garage light, and you know, see how it looks. So I'm gonna set up the tripod here. I'm not gonna really film this because, as I tell you, it take me like 2 seconds. So I'm never really plan to film this part. There's an echo, I don't like it. And I did a vlog like last week, 2 weeks ago. Just scroll through my videos on my channel where I tried to put the F-type series on the door and it didn't work. So now I ordered the correct one, so I swap them out. So you guys can watch that video. That video is more detailed. But yeah, the car need a wash. I have the carbon fiber mirrors them. But when I wash the car before I put it on, you know what I mean? Clean, fresh look. So yeah. Let me get my you know what I mean? You have to improvise and you know it's Jamaicans. To improvise. So. Bring out tools, use this plastic, flick it out. And then what I've learned, they come from the black end. Because the black end is really where it's clipped in, the front end is not really clipped in. Come on. Oh, you really did that to me again. Alright. Just the top coming off. Disconnecting it. Oh, I wish I brought the other pick. Disconnecting. You know, we should really be showing how this. Let me show you how who might be interested. As I say, I did a detailed vlog before. Yeah guys, not really what them call it, a DIY video. Yeah, it's just an update, you know what I mean? To show you guys the new look on the car. Really and truly. But yeah, once you flick the light out with your tool that comes in the bag, now my white light, then you gotta squeeze down just a regular clip. It's like a regular clip, it's just extra tight. You squeeze the clip in and push, and I might have pushed too far. So be careful guys not to damage these, because you know are plastic and you might want to reuse them. But maybe not. Then you go in, you line up the pin just like any other plug. 2 on this side, 2 on that side. You line those up. Boom, right away. Make sure you push it all the way in so it's secure. And just like that, you have your new light. Y'all see that? That's crazy, cuz. Yep. And then you put this part face to the, no, this part face to the back. So the part where the cables go in front, then this part with the grip go in the rear, or the black. And you just squeeze in. Just like that, we finish. You see? Oh, sick. I love it. Love it. Yeah, man. Crazy, you know? Crazy, cuz. And then we can match it with the ambient light that's in the door, you know what I mean? Okay, you know the ambient light is all over. And you can change the colors as well. So, yeah. So now let me turn off the light. I put up back the cardboard because I see it useful, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's a Jamaican, that's how we improvise, but I go buy a creeper, I saw them in autos well. So I could, oh, I needed to check that light, you know. The guide light, I don't know why it's not working. Or they don't have one for the driver's side. So lights off, you know what I mean? Lights, camera, action. You see me? Open up the door. Yeah. Just need a B-roll. Hold on, guys. Let me try see if I could get a B-roll for this. For like the intro, innit? So how you do it? Yeah, guys, so as you can see, boom, lights them in start. You see me, so it's a good look, you see me? Yeah, man, love them, you see me? So, I just, more aesthetic things like this I go forward, you see me? Yeah, more like aesthetic things like this. You know, for beautification purposes, I go forward, but performance mods is on the way as well, you know. Yeah, performance, exhaust, turbo, them they on the way, but you know, just I go and get them little stuff here out of the way. You see me? But no, love it. But yeah, remember to like and subscribe, you know. You understand? Remember to like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, mucho yard, you know what I mean? Yeah. We know say it's a lot of car vlogs, but when I get some vacation vlogs soon, you see me? Yeah, couple vacation vlogs in the pipeline. You see me? But right now we kinda focus on the old beast, you see me? Yeah, people. So yeah, that is it, man. As I say, like and subscribe, go and stay tuned. We have more mods and things forward. Couple more POV, we have to touch the road, but I just time still, you see me? We have push them out, man. Remember if you comment, you know, tell me, give it a thumbs up if you don't like this. You see me? And nothing like you have to stick on the door and put battery in as when you can see wired into the vehicle itself, you know what I mean? So yeah, and I was thinking like if I ever sell this vehicle or trade it in, I want to take off these mods off it, like, you know what I mean? Because if I go trade it in, I get like a model higher than this one, so probably some of these mods wouldn't even fit that model, you get me? So yeah, but yeah, man, big up on yourself. So just go and big up on yourself, man. We're there, man. We don't forget it, you know? Yeah, trouble the foot, feet, we outside. Yeah, man, just go and stay tuned. More vlogs to forward, mucho yard. But the sun down my nose, I'm out.